Welcome to my new series called 408 Beauty Academy. In this series, I will be taking you through your cosmetology textbooks, workbook, and theory book, as well as the exam review book. My goal here is to educate you and help you understand what's going on and what you're learning in cosmetology school. I'll break things down and make it a little bit easier than just reading words on a page. We'll have visuals and more in-depth conversations about what we're learning. This series is for anybody who's interested in cosmetology school, someone who is a student now, or someone who's been in the industry for a while but needs to brushing up on some of their theory, or anyone who's just interested in the beauty world in general. I want to thank you so much for joining me here today. My name is Greta. I am a licensed cosmetologist as well as a licensed cosmetology teacher. I hope you will enroll in my beauty school, and all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. This is free for you and it will help you with understanding your cosmetology school experience. Make sure to hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss when the videos come out. Today I want to break down what books are used for what and how to use them. Let's start with your Milady textbook. Your textbook has 32 chapters that are broken down into 6 sections. You will read your chapters all the way through, highlight what is important to you or underline, take notes, whatever you do. And at each end of the chapter, there are questions as well as the glossary so that you can find the important words and phrases in each chapter. After reading your chapter, you'll move on to your theory workbook. Now, your workbook may not have work for every single chapter, so you do need to check that out. You will see that under hairstyling, it says see the practical workbook. So you must understand that not every chapter has a section in your theory workbook to do, but you do need to check each time to make sure that you're not missing it. This gives you one more step of understanding and learning. Instead of just reading, now you're writing. We then have the practical workbook. Now, a big portion of your practical workbook is not used for the first portion of your textbook. So again, be sure to look at the beginning page to see if you do have work to do in this one. Again, just another step to further solidify the information you're learning into your brain. And lastly, but certainly not least, is your exam review. Now, this book you do not write in. Keep a notebook to write in your notebook. This has tests for each chapter. If you write in it, you can only take these tests once or you have to cover them each time. So I would suggest keeping a notebook to practice these tests anytime you need to, as this comes in super handy for you to understand and really learn the information that they want you to learn in your books. What they are teaching you in your books is what's going to prepare you for your state exam so that you can pass on the first time. Use this one to your best abilities because this is what's going to help you get through and understand your cosmetology school experience. The answers are in the back of this book, so even if you forgot your notebook, you can always flip back and forth from your test to the answers to check if you're getting them right. This one's also fun to do with a friend. I always had a fun time learning with someone and having them test me on it, or vice versa, because both ways you're learning, if you're being tested or you're testing someone else. Be creative with how you're learning, and I do hope that you join me on this educational experience. Like I said, this education is free to you. Just subscribe to my channel. That will help me, and in turn, that will help you. Thank you again for joining me here on my channel, and welcome to my new series. So again, this series is 408 Beauty Academy, and again, my channel 408 Beauty by Greta. So my name is Greta, I'm the cosmetologist, and I'm the cosmetology teacher. So if you are interested in joining me in my school, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!